Hello everyone, this is Wonderful Japan Channel. Kumihimo is a traditional Japanese craft made by braiding threads together. It is neither weaving nor knitting. By crossing each thread diagonally, one by one, a cord is formed with a unique balance of strength, flexibility, and beauty. Its history stretches back more than 1,400 years. Kumihimo has supported many parts of Japanese culture, from the armor and swords of samurai to the elegant world of kimono. A single thread is thin and delicate, but when many threads are carefully brought together, they become something strong, beautiful, and worthy of being passed down through generations. This is the world of Japanese Kumihimo. Founded in 1652, Domyo is one of Japan's most renowned Kumihimo houses. Since the Edo period, it has continued to preserve the techniques, colors, and spirit of this traditional craft. Today, many Kumihimo cords are produced by machine, but at Domyo, artisans still continue to braid by hand. Because hand-braided Kumihimo has a quality that machines cannot reproduce. The texture, the firmness, the way the cord tightens gently in the hand, and the subtle beauty created by human touch. Each artisan carefully feels the tension of the threads, adjusting the movement of the hands with quiet concentration. There are no unnecessary movements, only rhythm, precision, and years of experience. Each cord is made step by step, thread by thread, with patience and care. Before the threads are braided, the first step is dyeing. At Domyo, every thread used for Kumihimo is carefully hand-dyed by skilled artisans. Vivid and brilliant colors, calm and refined traditional Japanese shades. This rich palette is created from combinations of only 7 dyes. Even the basic colors alone number around 180. And yet, there is no fixed recipe for creating each color. What the artisans rely on is a sample of the desired shade, their years of experience, and their own sensitivity. They blend the dyes. They immerse the threads in the dye bath. They wring them out. Through this repeated process, the color slowly comes closer to its ideal expression. Next comes the braiding process. Here, the artisan uses a traditional braiding stand called a takadai. Across the stand, many threads are carefully arranged, each one held by a wooden bobbin. The artisan moves the threads in a precise order, from left to right, from right to left. The same movements are repeated again and again. At first glance, it may look simple, but each movement requires deep concentration and precision. Even a slight mistake in the order of the threads can affect the entire pattern. The wooden bobbins gently strike one another, and a quiet sound echoes through the workshop. Within that rhythm, the threads slowly transform into a beautiful Kumihimo cord. This is not simply a technique, it is a quiet conversation between the artisan, the threads, and a tradition passed down through centuries. A beauty shaped by human hands. Within Kumihimo, the spirit of Japanese craftsmanship still quietly lives on today. In every hand-dyed thread, in every movement of the artisan's hands, and in every Kumihimo cord, carefully braided one by one. A tradition passed down for more than 1,400 years continues to reach toward the future. This is the beauty of Kumihimo, and this is the craftsmanship of Domyo. Introducing Japan's wonderful spots. So please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.